Hey guys, what's up? How you all doing? So today I'll show you how to change the engine oil on the scooter or any motorcycle. So to do this, first we need to check the status of the existing oil in the scooter. There is a small dipstick over here. Twist it to open. There is the oil, but the quality of the oil is really gone bad because from almost 6 months there has not been any oil change done to this bike. Talking about the model of the bike, this is KYMCO brand. You might not have heard about it. It's a Korean brand and it's really powerful scooter. Like it goes around 100 or 120 kmph within 8 to 10 seconds. So after you check the dipstick over here, okay, there is a small check nut on the other side. Just screw it. And then there is another check nut on this side. This is the filter, oil filter. So we will have to open both of them to get all the oil out, and then I will also clean up the filter. So let's go. We will put a plastic container just below it so that none of the oil gets out. And then we'll use this wrench to open up the nut. After losing a little bit, it comes out just with the help of your fingers. As soon as I remove this nut, the oil will start dripping. You can see how much black the oil is. Alright, so now we'll go on to the other side and we'll remove the filter check nut. Loosen up the dipstick a little bit so that it releases the vacuum. As we can see that the oil dripping is now completed. The filter has a spring loaded inside it along with the filter. I did not cut the filter outside. It's stuck inside. Okay, here it is. So this is the filter. This is the check nut. We'll clean it with the water and then we'll be back, okay? Alright, so I have come to my house and now we'll go to the basing area and clean this with water. Let's let it dry for some time, and then once it's dry, then we'll go down and set it. So I guess now this is pretty well dried, and we'll go down and fix this in my scooter. The fixing process is same as we removed it. We just have to assemble the pieces and fix the bolt again back inside there. I'll just fix it up and then continue, okay? Alright, so both the sides, the bolt have been fixed, and now it's time to put the engine oil inside. So I have brought this Voyager Silver from ADNOC. It's 10W40 engine oil. It's for petrol engines. Also, I have made up this funnel so that I can put the engine oil inside, because it's very hard to reach over here. So the funnel will go over here and then the engine oil. Okay. So this one is green in color and it's almost 1 liter. Over here you can see the markings. It's almost 1 liter. So now we'll just pour it inside the funnel. Feels like it's full now, and now we have the dipstick with us, and I'll just close it with this. I'll just clean up all this mess and get back to you. Okay. Alright, so guys, now everything is finished. Let's see if it works or not. Sorry, I don't have battery left in this because it's kept from any time, so I'll just use the kick. Oh wow,